With sampling analysis, you can extract temperature, heat flux, etc. from an arbitrary 3D section. Let's start from a ready-to-simulate project. Like in 2D, we use section elements to define the analysis domain, that is a section. First, we create a horizontal area section element. We just need sampling analysis, so we turn off affect heat flow and activate temperature sampling. Now we'll expand the section element to be large enough for our needs. Let's run the simulation. As you can see, sampling results are shown directly on the area section element. Now let's move it upward. Hold down the Z key to limit movement along the Z axis. Sampling analysis is updated on the fly. We can make the rest of the temperatures transparent to make the section more evident. Like any other result, this analysis is available as a tag, so you can show it in your reports. This plot is also available in advanced results, together with some other statistics. It can also be exported. Note that the color gradient shown directly on the section element is the same as the rest of the temperatures. The gradient shown in the results and the tag is normalized to the minimum and maximum temperatures of this section.